270 passengers of a Dubai-bound Emirates flight were offloaded at the Kochi airport this morning, shortly before takeoff, after a British national among them tested positive for the novel coronavirus this morning. That flight has now taken off after 20 passengers have been offloaded. Let's go across to Sneha Merikoshi for more. So, Sneha, how did the authorities come around to this decision? What has been the thought process, the logic, the reasoning with letting that flight take off with after offloading 20 passengers?
Well, Sarah, we are yet to get to know these details. We've been trying to call the airport officials and find out these details, but we don't know those details as of now. What we do know is that initially the decision was to offload all 270 passengers, but now the flight that has taken off to Dubai has 250 passengers on board, and 20 passengers have been offloaded, of which one was somebody who volunteered to be offloaded. And of the 20 people who have been offloaded, 17 were part of the same group and have been shifted to a quarantine center. The person who tested positive, as well as his wife, they have been shifted to a hospital. This was an Emirates plane, EK531, which departed for Dubai at 12:45. We are yet to know from officials about whether the 250 people were offloaded, screened, and then allowed to board again, or was it a decision to take these 20 people down, to offload these 20 people based on the exposure level. That is really something that we will require a clarification from the airport authorities.
And Sneha, what do we know about this corona positive passenger? Were they aware, were they knowledgeable of this when they boarded that flight?
Sarah, unfortunately, yes, because this person has been under surveillance. This man was under surveillance. He was in a hotel, and health officials were in touch with him. He was told not to go out, and it was late last evening that his test results did come out. We don't know whether he knew it by then, whether that he was positive or not, but health officials say he was under surveillance as a suspect case. So that was definitely something he knew of. And once the health officials late last night or early tomorrow tried tracking him down, he had already left the place without letting anybody know, and he was tracked down to the Kochi airport, where he had already boarded this particular flight.